Drop from the rooftop, puddles on my doorstep. Warm mug grip tight, sipping that honey zest. Clouds thick as thieves, hide away the sun's crest. Window seat chillin', feeling like Kanye, so blessed. Sweater game strong, got the knit game on point. Raindrops syncopate, nature's own finger joint. Boots by the door, cause I ain't stepped into the void. Book by the lap, storytelling Sherlock Holmes employed. Raindrop symphony, the soundtrack of the day. Cozy in my kingdom, let the world melt away. Feet up, lights dim, lost in my escapade. Rain, rain, keep on, prolong my soft parade. Street lights reflecting, puddle skies at night. Neon clouds hover, city's heartbeat in sight. Headphones on blast, beats to rest or ignite. Thunder's bass line makes the mood feel right. Blanket fort fortress, castle of my own. Thunder rolls gentle, a sovereign on his throne. Meditation deep in this rainy zone. Thoughts like raindrops in my brain, they're sown. Lightning paints the sky, flash moments that inspire. Fireplace flickers, gentle crackles, echoes of desire. Each raindrop whispers, secrets they conspire. Cozy in this weather, never tire or retire.
Gentle crackles of desire. Each raindrop whispers, secrets they conspire. Cozy in this weather, never tire or retire.